Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a love couple canvas painting. So let's get started. So firstly draw a triangle with open ends, leaving 2 inches from the bottom and little space from the top. First draw a straight and tall line. On that line we are going to draw this lamp, and now draw one more line which is smaller to the first one, and again make one more line which is smaller to the second one, and similarly do on the right side also. Now we will draw the figure. So take 7 cm and mark 2 points, and now we will draw the boy and the girl in this space. The boy and girl are not very detailed, they are just slightly drawn. Now our basic perspective drawing is ready. So now take your sky blue color and apply it in the whole background. You don't need to worry about the drawing because the pencil is visible till the last on the canvas. So now take your black color with your 000 number round brush and now outline everything which we have drawn so that it is more clearly visible when we will do the further colorings. And also fill some space as shown with using the black color. And if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. We will also do the sketch outline of the figure. Now we will draw a tree between these two lamps. If you don't have space, then you can leave this, or if you have space somewhere else, then you can draw it there also. Now let it dry completely. Now take all the blue shades that you have with the old brush, and now start moving your brush in a circular motion for the background, and take some water to blend it with the background. And take all the shades simultaneously and blend them in the background. In the background sky portion I have used ultramarine blue, light blue and purple, and in the road I have used sky blue and purple. Now I am using yellow and orange to show the light effect of these street lamps. On the street lamps we have to do 2-3 coats so that it is properly visible. And now at the bottom we will show some watery effect, so again apply some yellow and orange color so that it looks like the light is reflecting in the water. And everywhere where we have applied yellow and orange we have to do 2 to 3 coats so that it is visible. Now we will draw the shadow of these figures. So take your Prussian blue and draw some random scribbling lines. And in the figure we will do some shadings with all the shades that you have. Now apply the white color in the lamps so that they look more bright. And now fill the black color in the tree and make all the branches in the space left at the top. If you don't have any of the materials, then you can visit the description box for the material links. Now make some reflection with the white color everywhere in the ground part. Now use ultramarine to make the shadow. And now we will draw the outlines of the lamps once more to look it more beautiful. Also do the outline of the figure. Now it's ready, isn't it looking so beautiful? And you can also frame this painting like this. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe.